Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday. Uh, Thursday, September the 14th, 2023. We have two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Killer Sudoku and the Binary puzzle. This one is 12 by 12, a large one. And we have in this newspaper an additional, yes, people, additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, aka tectonic, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, these two regular puzzles. The binary puzzle and the killer Sudoku. And the news of today. Well, I've told you one of these days. I've told you the news. Yeah, I've heard there are 11k deaths in Libya. It's about the storm Daniel. So a lot of people passed away, and there's a lot than the earthquake in a couple of days ago in Morocco. Yeah, Morocco. Yes. Anyway. It's about the climate change on Earth, yeah. And, we need to do something about the climate because, need to be in balance. Anyway, this one, let me continue. 7093. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 39 printed digits. And it's a 12 by 12 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 6 ones and 6 O's. Alright? So let's get started. Let me start with the O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Do we have more double O's? No. Double one then. Double one, here no, there no. 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 More double ones? No. Double O then. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. More? No. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Oh, double one. Oh, wait. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So that's the O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. And double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Then. Let me see. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here. Oh, no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. Double O. Here one, there one. Let me see. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here one, there one. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. Then between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, there should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. So this box should be a 1 then. 5 ones we have here. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be 1. There should be an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Well. Now. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is number 6. The 6th O1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is number 6. The 6th O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Then between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, seems like I need to compare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 O's in this in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Okay. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Time for comparing, I believe. Time to compare. Need to compare this row. Let me see. Well, cannot see any rows with these double ones. How about these? No. I cannot compare this. How about this one? Double O here. Cannot compare this row. How about these columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about this row? We have one row left. Here we have a double one here. This one. Not the same. Double one, double one, double one. No. Okay. About the columns then. Missing here two, missing here 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one will be difficult. I need 2 missing digits. Then I can compare. Here we have 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how about this column? We have a double O here. Here we have a double O. Yeah, this one. And that one. Let me compare. 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box. 0, 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Okay, double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double 1. Here no, there no. And now let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need to compare again. The rows or the columns? Let me check for the columns. We have a double O here. Let me check for double here. Nope, it's not the same here. Double O here. Nope. How about these double one? Double one here. Nope, it's not the same here. More double ones. No, only 2. Okay, how about the rows then? Here we have a double O. Double O. Double 1 here. More double O's here. Here's a double 1. Double O's. This one then. Double O here. This row. Second row. This row. Let me compare. Oh, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have 1 here. This should be no. Double 1. Here no. There no. Double O. Here 1. There 1. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Yes, in 14 minutes. Well. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. Regular puzzle for today. The killer Sudoku, and in the evening I will continue with the rest of the puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.